Hi everyone, do you want to schedule your Instagram Reels in advance? Here's a quick and easy guide to do it. Scheduling of Reels is only available for professional, creator, or business accounts. To switch, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the profile icon, usually in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select the account types and tools. Choose to switch to professional account. Follow the prompts and complete the setup. Then, in order to create your reel, tap the plus icon and select reel. Record and upload a video from your gallery. Edit it as needed, then tap next. Then, to schedule your reels, scroll down and tap the more options. Under the schedule content, enable the schedule this reel. Select the date and time you want to be posted. Tap schedule, then share post to save. And then you can now schedule up to 25 reels per day and up to 75 days in advance. To manage scheduled posts, go to your professional dashboard, scheduled content. Enjoy effortless content planning. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.